Children, now we will study the temperature and the thermometer. Whenever anything is heated, any substance is heated, it means that it gains heat, it rises its temperature. There is increase in temperature. And when a substance is cooled, at that time it loses heat. Heat is released and that's why there is decrease in temperature. Now generally, for seeing the hotness or coldness of the object, what we used to do? We used to put our finger in that water or liquid, any liquid, and then we can see that it is whether it is cold or whether it is warm. But for hot liquids, it is not the proper method, because if the liquid is very hot at that time, what will happen? If there is boiling liquid, there are vapors coming out of that liquid. What will happen? It will cause harm to your finger. It will burn your finger, or there will be scalding of that finger. That's why we should avoid putting the finger or the hand in that water. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is the quantity that indicates the hotness or coldness of that object. And a thermometer is used, it is derived to measure the temperature. Now, this thermometer, generally regular thermometer, has mercury in it. There is a capillary tube, and in that through that capillary there is rise. If there is rise in the temperature, at that time that mercury will go upside and it will show the fluctuations, deflections in temperature by accurate readings. That is usually used in laboratories or everywhere. But nowadays, what is happened? These digital thermometers, these digital thermometers are used to measure the temperature of an object. Also clinical thermometers, they are used for measuring the temperature if we have fever by doctors or at home. And this mercury, why mercury is used in regular thermometers? Because it is the very shining metal, and it is only metal that is in liquid form, and its boiling point as well as melting point, they have so much difference in between these two, and it shows the if there is very slight rise in the temperature or decrease in the temperature, there is fluctuation clearly indicated on that thermometer because of that mercury. That's why mercury is used in thermometer usually. In this way, we have studied the temperature and thermometer. But how it is measured? What is the unit? In which unit it is measured? Temperature is measured in the unit degrees Celsius, and this is written like this. Degree Celsius is written like this. Our body temperature, generally our body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Remember this thing. And when the water boils, at that time it starts boiling at the temperature 100 degree Celsius, and it starts freezing at the temperature 0 degree Celsius. That's why it is called boiling point as well as freezing point of that water. There are some temperatures given in the chart on your textbook, and you have to read them. And there are so many temperatures of different liquids: boiling point, freezing point, melting point. All these are given, but we have to study the brief description here. you.